best store for carders and hackers. Prozone. All carders' needs in one zone.
We go and buy a card from the VIP section of the Prozone store. It should be noted that the cards are not priced based on balance amount, but based on the available information and the quality of the VR. So don't waste your time on cheap cards. After purchasing the card, we also need the card's SSN. Therefore, we search for the cardholder's information in Prozone's large database. Alright. Several people with the same name as the cardholder are found. The current address of the cardholder is available in the profile of the second person. Yes. It completely matches. Now it's time. Use artificial intelligence for the conversation.
This is an automated call from Chase Bank. This message is for Mr. Longwell. Social Security number 296769157. Chase Bank's security system has detected an unusual transaction of $1,750 from the store Alibaba in China. If this transaction was made by you, press 1. If you do not recognize this transaction, press 2. Thank you. To protect your account, we will immediately block that transaction. To verify your identity, stop unauthorized access, and finalize protective measures, please provide the code sent to number 1962.
202760.
No response received. Dear customer, to verify your identity, stop unauthorized access, and finalize protective measures, please provide the code sent to number 1962.
202760.
Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.
Script. You just need a bit of creativity.
Is the only platform that offers paid training for free. Prozone Store.